Welcome to Free Dinners at Wesley. This is what it looks like. Thank you.
I'm your biggest fan.
I have one. We have one. Spiritual syrup.
I would totally be doing this with you, but I have the time.
Same as Megan.
Yeah.
Go.
Keep going. They're almost empty right now. That's just air now, dude. It's just air?
Well, that was uneventful.
That was boring.
I mean, you did it! Yeah! Get stuck!
Just light it on fire! Josh, you light the you're gonna light the thing on fire. This is a quick fire!
Fire? Fire? Where fire?
Wait, I'll save it.
Wait, what are we doing? Oh, Macy.
Don't light it on fire.
I love you so much, Macy. So that was a regular Wednesday here at Wesley, complete with new friends and old friends and new food and wonderful times to be had by all. Today's YouTube channel is Extra Credits, which is a channel completely dedicated to game design and game talking about ness. If you like that sort of thing, it's definitely the channel for you. And the song for today is Manifesto by the City Harmonic. Alright, that's it for today. Cue the outro.
Spiritual syrup.